Well, it is only day one, but already there is a palpable sense of obligation right from the start. These teams, great voice, and there's a real sense of anticipation in the air. Game on. So that's got things underway. Who do you think this turns on, Jim?
Well, you can't really overlook the importance of Efootball this side. A lot of players of his ilk may be seen rightly or wrongly as luxury players, and he's anything but.
Portugal with their first corner. And that has been cleared. And now they can spring out of defence. Throw in. Masuaku. Sadiki. He has found the way through. Lisa. Big chance! And it's there! A finish of great intelligence. He just understood and he executed so smoothly.
Yeah, the right touch and moment.
So we have had the first significant moment. It is 1-0.
Well, that's really changed the mood in the stands, Peter. It ought to encourage more positive football, a more front-footed approach. It's got to be.
Oh, that's nice.
No. Wait. What a save!
Lukau. Masuaku.
It's a decent chance to counter-attack.
Sadiki. Mendes gets over and intercepts. And he can clear it away. And the two sides separated by the game's only breakthrough moment to this point. 1-0 the score. He's found a way through. That'll be a corner. Portugal are looking to go forward now. Gonçalo Inácio. 15 minutes till half-time. That's very neat. Here's a chance! Smashing save, really good save that.
Sadiki probably should have taken a breath and looked for runners. It helps to put your head up for...
And the shot! And it's in! 2 up now, and they are cruising. And that is a genuine ground-eat-me-up moment.
Oh, how can they be so careless, Peter? It's too casual. They were never going to get away with that kind of sloppiness.
Democratic... Doing very nicely, thank you.
There's a certain authoritativeness in everything they do now. If they want to kill off this game, now's the time to get it done.
Denied.
Cleared away.
Gonçalo Ramos clearly held on to it far too long there. Did he do enough to find someone? He looked as if he had his mind set on trying to do everything his way.
At a time.
It's a sharp pass. Oh, there's a probing ball. And the referee has blown for half-time. How's the first half compared with your expectation? Well,
Number 23, Honda.
so into the second half.
Field is
Number 12. And it's Mendes. Democratic Republic of Congo come out this half somewhat altered.
Well, I think this is probably a good time, Peter, to make ambitious change.
Wan-Bissaka. Oh, this looks sharp. And he's picked it up out wide. He's picked his way through. Mendes is there and he can get that clear. Oh, that is asking comfortable. Sadiki. Quarter of an hour into the second half. And he's intervened well there. That pass isn't the best. And that looks a decent ball. Wan-Bissaka. Passing is crisp and sharp. He's shifting through the game. The shot! That's offside. Yes, it is. Democratic Republic of Congo, perhaps wondering what the best time is for their next substitution. Kayembe. Looking for options for movement. And the shots! Just cruising! They are cruising! With fun and fury, they continue to do their thing. Good determined running there, but one back by the defence.
Well, he's not the type that's short on self-belief, so that could rub off on his teammates now.
That's a race for the ball.
He was berating his defence before making the save, and he's at it again now.
Pass is coming off in quick succession here, and he thumps it clear. Looking for the run, the most accurate pass. Well, a glitch with the rangefinder there, and evident annoyance.
Yeah, he just didn't seem to get enough on the pass, Peter, did he?
He's a sharp little ball here. Diogo Costa claims comfortably. Nuno Mendes.
Will be 1 minute at a time.
Elia. Sadiki. And that is as far as it goes. Democratic Republic of Congo can celebrate now. They have exactly what they
I
crave.
think he could have asked for much more, but certainly result-wise, this is a game they wanted to win for so many reasons, and his players did a sterling job carrying out the instructions. Thoroughly enjoyable.
And all that remains for me is to thank Jim Beglin. That's it from us tonight. A very good evening to one and all.